free rare plants. That's right, you heard it correctly. Get ready for a triple unboxing you won't forget. In a recent episode, I did an unboxing from a company off Amazon called Leal Plants Ecuador. And when the plant, the dream plant I had wanted for a while, an Anthurium Regale, arrived, well, here's what happened. Let's see. Ooh, there's a lot of soil in here. Oh my god. Oh, oh no. Oh, the plant came completely destroyed. Oh my gosh, it came completely destroyed. Oh, I've never had that happen before. K Dramatico, Kevin. But you know what? I have to hand it to them because they have excellent customer service. When I wrote them and explained the situation, sent them video and photos, they immediately responded with a very sincere apology, even saying they are ashamed. They were ashamed of the way the plant arrived. Now, when somebody uses a word like ashamed, you know that they are sincere, and for that I do give them credit. So not only did they immediately, like within 4 days, I believe it, yeah, 4 days, it was sent out, yeah, 4 days, they sent me a brand new regale, and they said they were going to send me another anthurium, which is awesome, another rare anthurium, and I'm excited about that. So we have a nice unboxing here, and apparently there's a third plant in there too, a third rare plant, three rare plants. All I had to do is have my heart broken and deal with a traumatic situation. But it's okay, guys. It is okay. A lot of you let me know in the comments about your situations. We'll get to those in just a moment. But first, I did cut open the box because it arrived about 2 hours ago. I was wrapping up work, and I just wanted it to be breathable. But we're going to do this unboxing together. And fingers crossed that, the plants are alive, because that would be awful. Oh, okay, so we do have three in here. What's this? A note. Get that in a minute. Okay. The important stuff first. That's the Regale. Oh, that's the other Regale they were sending me, the AFF. I want to get to the Regale first. Here's my skizzers. This is so exciting again. Look, I'm not giving my hopes up this time. Boy, Kevin, when you did that last time, didn't work out for you well, did it? No, it did not. So, anyways. By the way, it was a week ago to this day when this situation happened. Okay, guys, here's the big reveal, because, mind you, I have wanted this plant for a long while now, and so I'm really, really excited about it, and I hope you guys are too, so let's get to it. Oh my god, it's connected. It's connected, it's connected, and that is, oh my gosh. What a beautiful, beautiful plant. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is how it was on the Amazon pictures. This is why all of those customers were ranting and raving about this company and how beautiful their plants come. Take a look at that, guys. I mean, that is how the plant should have been delivered, compared to, if you take a look at the other footage, how it was delivered. So kudos to Leal Plants on this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about that. So we're gonna put you here, baby. Watch out. I'm gonna do something to injure it now. Then the Regale AFF, which is a hybrid. And I don't even know what this plant looks like. Oh my gosh. That is... Oh, that is stunning. I mean, I just saw the Regale, and I'm like, wow. And then this. Oh my gosh. Look at how beautiful of a hybrid this is. I mean, I have ordered from places like Steve Leaves, Equigenera. I have ordered from, gosh, you name it. And plants have not, they've always arrived beautiful. There's no doubt about that. but to that extent, that's perfection. So hats off to Leal Plants and Amazon for righting a wrong. And what is this third plant? Oh, it's a Philodendron Periso Verde. Oh my gosh. So our local grocery stores started selling these last summer for 15 buckaroos a pop. I got one, but really gave it up quickly. But maybe I'll keep this one. Oh, it's a little cutie. Yeah. Wow. That's beautiful. Wow. Yeah. I take a look, guys, because let me put this down first. Because look at how beautiful these three specimen arrived. Like that is perfection to its finest. I mean, you can't really go wrong with a plant arrival like that. That is exactly what I was hoping for the first time, and clearly, Leal Plants has made up for it. So I did ask you folks in my YouTube community poll about your plant mail situations and what they've been like. Let's take a look at those results. And by results, I mean responses, two in particular to hone in on. One from Melwingun saying, happened to me once or twice, but don't give up. Thanks, Mel. I won't. And I didn't. And I'm glad I didn't. Melody 1398 says, happened when my husband ordered a Monstera Thai constellation as a gift for our first anniversary. Oh my gosh. That is not a first anniversary great gift turnout. I'm so sorry, Melody. Loving your guys' comments, and if you have any more, please let me know in the comments below. Also, please let me know in the comments if you have any of these plants. How do you go about caring for them? What is your best technique? For the Regale and the Regale AFF, by the way, AFF not being a hybrid, silly me, it's just a variation of the Regale. Same plant-ish, but just different um, parts of it, different looks, different veinage, different growth. So with these two, you want them to be in a good chunky aroid mix, which I have plenty of. You can learn more about it by clicking up on that link in the corner. Also, they are humidity lovers, 70 to 90% humidity, which fortunately I get mine up to about 70% here in my urban jungle. And so they will thrive in those conditions with, of course, good airflow, which I also include. And the important thing, though, is to not give them bright light. They love bright indirect light, but sunlight on those beautiful leaves will scorch them. So you don't want that to happen. I'm so excited about those two in particular, and they are heavy feeders, as are all of my Anthurium, so I will be giving them plenty of fish poop as we are in growing season right now. The Periso Verde, well, that is a climbing philodendron, a beautiful, gorgeous, colored, beautiful plant. And it is a climbing plant. It can get a little wacky and grow like crazy quickly, just like the big philodendron Jose Bono behind me with its variegation. So very similar plants, though the Jose Bono definitely a favorite of mine. As for these two, though, man, oh man, what a delight, and how awesome of Leal Plants to make good on the situation. And this is just a note saying that they are a small company led by brave and hardworking women located in the United States. Although it starts in the mega diversity of Ecuador, where they have genetic base of unique species in the world, very few people know about their conservation, and they rely heavily on their small business. So I'm glad that we are able to have a happy ending to this story. Boy, take a look at those leaves because, oof, I can't wait to have those in my Anthurium collection. They are going to stand out as showstoppers. Oh boy, oh boy. What I'm going to do now, though, is I'm going to let them acclimate to my conditions and then pot them up and do all that stuff. I don't want to pot them up right now because that'll send them into shock, obviously. So trying to be cognizant of that. But I couldn't have asked for two gorgeous rare plants, let alone a third. That was so kind of them and so nice. And yeah, I'm really pumped about this. And also, you'll recall I did pot up that chonk that was from the damaged plant, and I'll keep you updated on how that is going as well. Oh, another important thing with Anthurium is that when you're watering them, never use tap water because the chemicals in tap water, even though here in Denver we have really clean tap water, well, the chemicals in tap water can really impact their foliage and can cause discoloration and lots of issues. So you always want to make sure to use filtered water, uh, distilled water, rainwater, if possible, to water them. So that is that, and I'm excited. Kevin's a happy Kevin again! Yay! And I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my planty videos. And if you haven't already, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more fun and interesting planty content just like this. So while this has a happy ending, from the beginning, if you didn't see part one, click on that video right there, because let me tell you, it was heartbreaking, and it took me until today, a week later, to get over it. And I am so glad this happened because this has put a smile on my face, and I know that these plants are going to thrive in my collection. I'll see you guys in the next video.